Ta-da! Like this. It smells so good. Using this actually all summer. It's beauty hurts. And now it's time for unboxing. Good morning, y'all. It's Diana and I'm back on YouTube. Yes, YouTube vlogging is one of my biggest dreams, and I just woke up today and I decided to get back at it, and I will be doing it in English again. So let's give it another try. Anyways, so today's vlog, there's nothing much, but it's this time of the month where I don't feel good at all. So we're gonna just like do some of self-care. So we're gonna do some of hair care, skincare, as it's a bit of a mess, so we will be working on that today. So first thing first, we're gonna do a hair mask. So I'll be using this Marc Anthony coconut and shea. So I have used this so far only once, but I always use the leave-in, and so far it has been always great. So let's try this one again today. Okay, honestly, I'm not a professional hair care or hair treatment, so we're just gonna do it this way. Don't judge me because I didn't divide it the proper way or whatever. I just do it however. Anyways, the most important thing is to get it all over, and that will be the goal. So it doesn't matter if I'm sectioning my hair or not, right? It smells so good. Oh my god, I can live in this. Honestly, if you know me, I love hair care only when it smells good. So I don't care how useful the product is if it smells bad. Like, I went to so many hair salons and they always offered me this amazing hair growth product or hair care product, and sometimes they even give it to me for free, and honestly I never use them because if they don't smell good, I never use them. So yeah, I'm that picky when it comes to smells. Big comb, because I feel like it's perfect for such cases, so your hair doesn't fall, especially when your hair is wet. You have to comb it with something like that. Okay, and that's it. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this for, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. I'm just gonna start by cleaning my room, and we'll see after. Oh my god, I look so bad with no hair. And the front cam is so not nice. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you that, look, that's my bed now, and I'm gonna fix it. I don't know why, but I feel like starting with the bed is almost more motivating, because like the bed takes the biggest part of the room. So if you see the bed already clean, you'll feel like, oh well, it's almost done, you know. Ta-da! I just finished. Oh, how does it look? Doesn't it look so nice? And I hurt myself while I was doing it. I don't know how did I do this, but anyways, so now next step, what should we start with? Maybe I'm gonna fix this table. I'm gonna remove whatever is on the floor here, and I'm gonna fix this little desk. Okay, I'm not sure if you all follow me from before, but in case not, you have to know that I love traveling, and I always love to buy souvenirs, of course. So this one, I have got it from Turkey, and I just wanted to show you. It's from Istanbul, Turkey. I love it. Look at it. And then the gold in it, I feel like it just like matches with the pink and white of my room. And this is the final result of this section over here. So what y'all think? I love it. It's the time of this section, like dun ta-da. So now that I'm done, it's shower time. Oh my god, can't wait to wash it off. And voila! Out of the shower. And because I'm just gonna be home and cozy today, I'm wearing a pajama. This pajama is actually from Shein. Isn't it so cute? And I just put my hair in the wet towel for a bit, and then I'm gonna remove it and let it air dry. That's the healthy. I'm trying to avoid heat for a while, so I only use it when I have to go out and it's so bad hair day. Other than this, I try to go all natural. Okay, so I'm currently in the kitchen and I have decided to make a bucket bowl because it's been a while I haven't had it, and it's such an easy and comforting food. So let's do it. Oh, that's the rice. It's already done. And now we can open the corn. I love this. It just makes my life so easy to open it. So, ta-da! And we actually have half an avocado, cucumber. I'm gonna use this kimchi mayo and soy sauce. Oh, and of course the main ingredient is the salmon. This is smoked salmon. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna put this seasoning on for the rice. So the seasoning is so good. It has sesame seeds and it has like the seaweed. I really love it. So I'm gonna put it like that. And then of course we have the soy sauce. I feel like I want to put a bit like this. I like a lot of soy sauce on the cucumber. Okay, I'm gonna put the mayo as well. And the smoked salmon. The packaging is supposed to actually all open. Just like that. Ta-da! Isn't it cool? And now it's time to eat, and I'm gonna watch something as well. So let's make a taste test. So I'm gonna make a spoon of everything. We have the rice, the corn, the salmon, the avocado, the cucumber. Oh my god, this is all. I don't know how I'm gonna eat all this at once, but yeah, here it goes. Nothing. Mm. 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 And the turnip is perfect with it. Like, it's a different level. Not because I made this, but this is 100/10, like best poke bowl ever. And it's homemade. And I'm currently watching a vlog while making the vlog, just because I'm in my vlogging era. Like, I become addicted to watching travel vlogs, daily vlogs. Watch the vlog before making this poke bowl just to see what ideas are people putting in their poke bowl. But I take the credits for adding the turnip. This is my idea, the pickled turnip, and it actually tastes so good. I totally recommend, so you should try it. Pickled turnip, avocado, cucumber, soy sauce, mayo, what else, corn, and smoked salmon, and of course the rice. Yeah. And now it's FaceTime, so we're gonna do a face mask. So this is Pure Pearl Intensive Mask Sheet. This is from Korea. I'm so happy. I got it when I was traveling in Korea and I never used it. So I think now is the time. I rarely use skincare products and especially face masks. Don't judge me, okay? I don't know how to use it. And we're gonna go like this. Cool. So I'm not really having the greatest the greatest skin currently, especially my chin. I'm sure you guys realized my chin has been reacting so much. So I hope this mask will help. So I sat on my desk because I made green tea as well just to chill and drink it. But is it normal that the face mask burns? 2 minutes have already passed and now it's time to remove this amazing mask. I feel like this part wasn't really sticking much, but anyways, I'm not really professional at mask, so let's just do it. There we go. Ta-da! Do I feel any difference? I don't know. Anyways, so the instructions said after you remove it, you just massage your face with the remaining texture. Didn't say we have to rinse it or anything, so that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like it's just good for the skin, and then you end it with the moisturizer, so I'm gonna do this after it cools down a bit. And it's also hair time, so like I said, I'm gonna let it natural air dry. Favorite ever leave-in. I have been using this actually all summer. It was the only product because I was traveling on vacay, so I don't really carry much product. So I'm using this Marc Anthony leave-in. So usually you spray it on your hair, but I feel like whenever I spray it on my hair, it doesn't go on all the hair parts. It doesn't go equally. So I prefer to do it on my hand and then go around like this. And I always like to put just one pump of oil, so I'm using this Coco Magic nourishing oil. To put a bit of oil just to nourish it. Now it's the mask is dry, I'm gonna put some moisturizer. So I'm using this Demorelli moisturizer. And now it's time for unboxing. So I got this package from Shein. I just opened outside like the box, and let's see what's inside. So first things first, we have this pants. Oh my god, I couldn't even remember that I ordered it because you know. But it's so pretty. Actually, I was looking all over for this color. It's the velvet material, and this is the first item. Second item is this white cardigan. I love it. You know, it's the holiday season and white is always so nice to wear, and it got these pearls and it's super soft and cozy. This is really perfect. Third one, so we have this, I don't know if you can call it a vest or what, but it's like, you know, this kind of knit material, and it's so nice. It would be perfect with like a little chemise or a long sleeve under it. And then we have this cute set that I'm so excited about. It's gonna be perfect for the holidays because it's dark green, and then it has like this white lining on the pants from the bottom, and it's flare, so it's gonna be super cozy. Plus the material as well, like you can see, it's like the knit material. And then you have the matching towel. Oh my god, I love sets. Like they're just so easygoing and cozy. And also have the white over here. White and green and red are just the perfect color for all December, November, Christmas season, holiday season. And this one, I think that's the item I'm mostly oops, I broke the bag. I'm the most excited about. It's the leather jacket that I have been wanting for the longest time ever. So it's dark chocolate brown, and then it has like the black details, and then the fur in beige, and it has fur all over on the inside. And guys, I feel like Shein is super underestimated because the material is super soft and super nice. And it says LY Varilyn. I guess that's the brand. But I feel like Shein now is like working with different brands. But It looks so pretty and it feels so nice. Oh my god. And last piece. Oh my god. So this is like a vest style jacket. I have been also seeing like this jacket, and this jacket I've been trending all over social media, on Instagram and everywhere, even in the TV shows. Guys, like I'm in love. Like look at the fur. Like I can't imagine how warm this would look. Oh my god. And the leather feels so good. Like the quality. Okay, A1. Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear them. And that's it. I hope you liked my mini haul from this vlog. Finally, this is the end of this long vlog. So if you made it till the end, I'm super thankful and I'm so happy that you're still here. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.